we were just reading, forget the rules. If you like it, wear it. But what if you don't know what your personal rules are? What if you have lost a grip on what makes you feel good, what makes you feel alive, what's modern, like how do I dress my body shape, what is my style? If you relate to any of that, then I am really excited because I am going to be running a very exciting retreat. Come with me. On the 20th of November, a dream of mine is coming true. I am going to be gathering a community of women who want to work on their personal style and understand what it takes for them to feel their best every day. This isn't just about shopping. This is going to be about you learning the rules, the lessons, the guidance that you need so that you can feel put together, you can feel your best every day. If you have been wanting to go on a journey of understanding yourself and what makes you tick and what lights you up, then this is going to be the day for you. It's going to be an urban style retreat, a day that you can have to yourself so that you can fill up on knowledge, so that you can fill up on just that good feeling and the good vibes, so that you can go away and have a plan for the rest of the year and into next year, and making sure you're stepping into 2024 with your head held high. I'm so excited. If you think this could be for you and you want to work with a group of women who are in a similar place to you, in a very nurturing, caring and supportive environment, and also of course a creative and fun one, then please check out all the details in our bio, and we'll make sure it's all over our stories and everywhere. But we cannot